Let's Make Cookies, written by Lily Jones. It is fun to make cookies. Which kind do you like best? Let's make chocolate chip cookies. They will be so yummy. First, get the ingredients. Find a spot where you can work. Then get the tools you need. You'll also need a grown-up. Mix the sugar, butter, vanilla, and egg into a bowl. Now mix in the baking soda, flour, salt, and chocolate chips. Then add spoonfuls of dough onto the cookie sheet. Put the cookies in the oven. Wait for 10 minutes. Have a grown-up take the cookies out of the oven. The cookies are hot. They need to cool down. The cookies are ready. Share them with a friend.
The end.